Oh geez. Yeah, something tells me that's not right. Hi, welcome back to Dear Jamie. I'm your host, Chris. Today we're tackling recipe number 2 in the 15-minute meal cookbook. It's chicken tikka lentil spinach naan salad. Probably noticing that everything looks a bit different. That's because I'm going to be trying to do this recipe all within 15 minutes as you're supposed to be able to do. So I have all my ingredients, pans, blender, everything set up, ready to go to try and capture this all in real time. I'm even going to time myself here on my phone and let you know how long it actually took me to make this. Without wasting any more time, let's check out what we need. We'll need 2 skinless, boneless chicken breasts, 2 teaspoons tikka curry paste, 4 cremini mushrooms, 4 scallions, 1 fresh red chili, 1 heaping teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, olive oil, half a 19-ounce can of lentils that are drained and rinsed, 1 ripe tomato, red wine vinegar, but just a splash, 1 bunch of fresh cilantro, 2 lemons, 1/4 cup of fat-free plain yogurt, 1 heaping tablespoon of cashew nuts, 1 heaping tablespoon of mango chutney, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 naan bread, 4 large handfuls of baby spinach, half an English cucumber, but I thought I had it, but I don't actually, so I'm just going to use 2 baby cucumbers instead. Hopefully that's okay. 1 carrot and 1 ounce of feta cheese. Okay folks, now that we have our ingredients all set out before us, basically, we're going to try and do this all in one go here. So let me just get my timer ready here and start. So first thing we're going to do is, on a large sheet of parchment paper, we're going to toss our chicken with some salt and pepper. So this is our 2 heaping teaspoons of tiki paste. Of course, they're stuck together. Ooh. That's heaping enough. And we're going to fold over this parchment paper, and now we're going to use our rolling pin to bash and flatten out our chicken. Now, again, I've never bashed or flattened chicken before, so I hope this is right. I'm trying to make it a 3/4 of an inch thick. So, you know, I guess I should have a tape measure out. There. I think I flattened that out. So that's our chicken all flattened out. So we're gonna throw this onto the grill with our halved mushrooms. Ooh, that's very high. So now our halved mushrooms, although they look kind of big for half. I mean, I just cut them in half. So I guess that's right. Anyway, we're going to turn those after about 3 or 4 minutes, like I said, until they're nicely charred and cooked through. And I guess while that's happening, we're going to cut up our scallions and our red chili. So, here goes. I feel like we're really racing against the clock here. It's kind of nerve-wracking, actually. Though I think this chili is like really hot, so I'm kind of worried about it. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, and there's our scallions and our chili, half our chili. That's still only been a couple minutes there, but we'll... So, into our frying pan, we're going to put our mustard and cumin seeds in with 2 tablespoons of oil. Whew. 1, 2. Oh geez. Yeah, something tells me that's not right. I guess I should have put the oil in first. Okay, those are in. I've turned the heat way down. It was already on low before I did this, but I turned it down to like full on simmer here. Just show you what this looks like. Here's the chicken and our mushrooms right before I flip them, and our scallions and red pepper and seeds. So let's try and flip this guy over. So it's not as charred as probably you'd want it. Maybe this pan isn't the greatest for this. Okay, now we're going to tip our lentils into the pan and squash in the tomato and add a pinch of salt and pepper. So our lentils, which are solid now. I guess I waited too long for these lentils because they are solid in here. There we go. So our lentils in the pan. Now we have to squash a tomato in. So I'm not sure exactly what they mean by that. I have the tomato. I guess I'll just cut the... So I'm just literally gonna squash it in. Like this. I don't know if you saw that, but it kind of flew all out. So that's a squashed tomato. Guess I'll squash it some more with the spatula. See how our chicken's doing. Oh, see, that's a bit more charred. Almost too charred, I guess. I'm actually going to turn that off now. Okay, tip the lentils in the pan, done. Squash the tomato, done. Pinch of salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. And our splash of red wine, vinegar. Okay, I'm going to toss occasionally for a few minutes, then turn the heat off. I guess I've kind of been doing that already. I'm going to take you off there. I really don't think I did that tomato right, but there it is. Now, rip the cilantro stalks into the blender with the juice of 1 lemon, the yogurt, cashews. So I ripped it. All right, so that's in there. The juice of a lemon. Okay, I'll say it's the juice of a lemon. Our cashew nuts. So 1 heaping tablespoon of mango chutney. Turmeric, this, and our yogurt. All right. That's not looking very smooth. See, that's not too smooth looking. Try this again. Okay, now that we've blended that to be smooth, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the chicken and mushrooms off of the grill pan. You're going to add your, ooh, I lost the mushroom. Oh, mushroom down. And throw on our naan bread, I guess just to warm it up. So now we're going to tip our baby spinach onto our serving board or plates. I guess just like this. And then we're going to peel our cucumbers and our carrot over the top of it. I guess you do this like this, so it all kind of goes on top. I'm trying to look at the photo here and I can see that I don't think I need to use the whole carrot. We get the idea. Again, I don't have a full English one, unfortunately. Just some baby ones, but we'll try it out. A lot of this is ending up on the floor. There we go. Okay, sprinkle our mushrooms over. Mushrooms are nice and warm still. Now I'm going to slice our chicken and naan bread and lay that over as well. The chicken smells good though. I kind of like chunky when it's a little bit more chunky. So I'm going to leave these a little bit more chunky. Spread them out over the top. Okay, and then our naan bread. Oh, I have to scatter over the lentils. I forgot the lentils. There's a lot of lentils. The one thing I'm finding with these Jamie recipes is the way they're written. I don't know if it's just a British thing or something, but the sentence structures are a little weird, and sometimes I read it too fast. But I tend to miss little things like this. And maybe my serving platter is too small, but this is a lot of stuff on this one little platter. Although I wouldn't think this platter was too small, but we're gonna cut over our remaining chili. Put that over top, here and there. And then we're gonna crumble over our feta. I'm not actually a huge fan of feta cheese, but as I talked about in another Jamie Oliver episode that I did, but you know what, I'm trying to stay as true as I can to this recipe. And spoon over the dressing. Dressing's pretty thick. And not nearly as orange as the one in the picture here. I guess I used too much cilantro. Okay, finished with the cilantro leaves, so I guess I shouldn't have put the leaves in my dressing, but they're there. Our last lonely lemon cut into wedges, or limes. Oops. These are limes. Anyway. That's all done. Let me check the time. We're sitting at, 25 minutes. Now again, it's probably me. I'm not gonna blame the book. But now that that's done, there's only really one thing left to do, and that's to taste this guy. Got a piece with our chicken, naan, spinach, and lentils on it. It's okay. The chicken is tasty though. It definitely took me 10 minutes longer than as the book says. A little chaotic there. I did try to get everything as ready as I possibly could, but I guess I can do a better job of that in the future. Thanks again for joining us on Dear Jamie. I hope you enjoyed this little experiment of ours here. I also hope that your chicken tikka lentil spinach naan salad turned out well, and that it only took you 15 minutes to do. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. As always, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll be doing more of our 15-minute meals from Jamie Oliver in the future, so make sure you look out for those. So until next time, see you later. Oh my gosh. Dear Jamie, I made your tikka chicken, lentil, spinach, and naan salad today from your 15-minute meals cookbook. It took me just over 25 minutes to do it. Not bad, I think. It turned out okay. Some mistakes were made. Sincerely, Chris Cook.